Flower. Flower is the fascinating reproductive organ of angiosperms. It is the reproductive organs of the angiosperms. It consists of the male reproductive part and female reproductive part. Male reproductive part is androecium and female reproductive part is gynoecium. It mainly consists of the four important parts. They are calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Calyx is also known as sepals, corolla is also known as petals, androecium is also known as stamen, gynoecium is also known as pistil as well as carpel. Androecium, which is also known as stamen. The androecium consists of whorls of stamen. It mainly consists of the whorls of stamen. This is the typical structure of the stamen. Okay, the stamen consists of filament and anther. This stamen mainly consists of two different parts, that is anthers and stamen. This is anther, which is bilobed structure. And filament is a long slender stalk. And anther is a bilobed structure. Filament is attached to the thalamus or to the petal. This filament is mainly attached to the thalamus or to the petals. Okay, is very important question where the filament is attached. It is attached to the thalamus or to the petal for 1 mark. Structure of anther. Okay, this is the structure of anther. Anther somehow looks like this. Right, it somehow looks like this. Anther is a bilobed structure. It means it consists of the two lobes, that is one lobe, two lobes. There are two lobes. Anther has two lobes. Each lobe consists of the two theca. Each of them lobe consists of the two theca, so they are called as dithecous. Each lobe consists of the two theca. Okay, see, if someone asks you how many lobes are present, then you should say two lobes, right? Two lobes are present. But when someone asks you how many thecas are present, then you should say there are four thecas. Four thecas are present. Again, when someone asks you how many thecas are present in each lobe, then you have to say two theca. Two thecas are present in the each lobe. So arrangement of theca in each lobe is dithecous. Di means two, thecus means theca. This diagram, this is the expanded part. Here are four microsporangias and this is the expanded diagram of anther. It is look like a container, but it is a half of the anther. This structure is the half of the anther. Okay, anther is a tetragonal structure. It is a tetragon in structure which consists of the four microsporangia located two in each lobe. It consists of the four microsporangia located two in each of the lobe. There are two microsporangia in each lobe. Microsporangia develops into pollen 6. Okay, microsporangia anther mainly consists of the pollens. Sacs are also known as microsporangia, whereas microsporangia develops into pollen sacs. Pollen sacs run longitudinally and contain pollen grains. There is a longitudinal groove here. There is a longitudinal groove where the mature or developed pollen grains come out. There are four microsporangia located two in each lobe. So is tetragonal structure. Pollen grains are filled with pollen sacs are filled with pollen grains. Pollen grains are formed. Now it's time to release. The pollen grains. Anther has two lobes, so bilobed. Each lobe consists of two theca, hence it is dithecous. It consists of the two lobes, so it is bilobed. Each lobe consists of the two thecas. It is called as dithecous. Okay. Anther is a tetragonal structure which consists of the four microsporangia located two in each lobe. It is a tetragonal in structure. It consists of the four microsporangia where the two located in the two each lobe. Microsporangia develops into pollen sacs. Microsporangia develops into pollen sacs. Pollen sacs run longitudinally and contains pollen grains. Pollen sacs mainly consist of the pollen grains. The microsporangia are located at the corners, 2 in each theca. They further develop to form pollen sacs which contain the pollen grains. The microsporangia are mainly located in the corners, 2 in each theca. They further develop and to form pollen sacs and which contain pollen grains. Lastly, pollen grains are formed. Now it's time to release. They are released.